How to fix WhatsApp cannot set to HD. This media is not HD resolution. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar, and search for WhatsApp. Now click on Update. Now wait for some time and open up Settings application. Now click on Apps, tap on App Management, and find WhatsApp. Now click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage, and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and type image upscaler. Now click on Super Image, tap on Install. Now click on Open. Now tap on Photo Upscaling. Now click on Add Images. Now select your photo, tap on Add. Now click on Upscale. Now tap on Download.
This is actually crazy. I don't know how to do it. But do it.
Now go back to WhatsApp and send this photo on SD on WhatsApp. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.